Good morning and welcome back to Dad Bod Trading, the most average and boring trading you'll probably ever find on YouTube. Welcome, welcome. And I'm just getting Discord all set up and ready to go. I've actually made some permissions. So let's see here. Let's see if it's stuck. Testing, testing. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can.
Nice. All right. Awesome, awesome. And let's grab this. Stick it in here. That sounds bad, actually. Okay.
Oops.
So yeah, everything's kind of crazy on the market this morning. Of course,
Yeah.
Russia has done its thing and is invading parts of Ukraine, which they're claiming that they are only getting set up in the independent area that has been fighting with Ukraine for a long time. But Ukraine has been
Uh-huh.
saying that Russia has been supplying the separatists with weapons and whatnot.
Yeah.
So it's kind of like, yeah, kind of messed up. Anyhow, I ran through my scan this morning, and I was like, there's going to be nothing that's up. And there's like,
Uh-huh.
20 things. I'm like, what in the world? And I realized it's all like gold, fuel,
Oh.
oil,
Yeah.
everything that basically would be, of value during a wartime. I was like, oh yeah, that's right. Forgot about that. Um, so yeah, there's some interesting um, stuff going on as far as like the gold and whatnot. But other than that, like everything else is down
Yeah.
significantly. And I was telling Jen this morning, I'm like, I really wish I would not have been so kind of timid with my trading yesterday, or as a matter of fact, for like the last few days, because we all knew that the invasion was coming and the
Yeah.
market was prepping for it and everything. And I really should have just taken a bunch of, short positions.
Well, but the thing is like you weren't around, you know what I mean? Like
Hmm.
you hadn't been on the markets for a while, so it was probably okay that you didn't trade because
Yeah,
there's a solid chance it would have not gone well
the thing that kept
or
me from
whatever.
going all in on a bunch of puts, like with real money, was that what if the market preps for Ukrainian invasion and then Russia backs off? There would be a huge rebound, and I was
Yeah.
worried that was going to happen. Um, but after the sell off yesterday, I really should have known that. So the thing is, like the big wigs on Wall Street, you know that they have connections. You know that they have all the people that have the majority of the money in the market. They have connections. They know what's going to happen before it happens. I mean, that's why they make the big money. And so
Uh-huh.
to see a huge sell off like yesterday, um, it wasn't the biggest sell off, but it was pretty significant. I think it was like 3% or something like that. Um, I at the market close, I should have known that something was up because it doesn't just simply break support for no reason, like on the SPY
Yeah.
here. It had some decent support at 430, which was the close from yesterday or the day before yesterday, but it
Yeah.
broke right through that, tried to get back above it again, and failed, utterly failed, and just kept on dropping. So I should have known something was up, but oh
Well,
well. Next time there's
yeah.
another beginning of a world war, then I'll keep that in mind. Yeah, who knows how it's going to happen? What's going to happen? I didn't realize. I thought that they were invading just simply, like Ukraine proper, but they're going into a like the eastern part of Ukraine that has been independent since I think it was 2014
Uh
and is
huh.
claiming independence from Ukraine. And there's been a continual battle between the separatists there and
Uh
the
huh.
and Ukraine proper. And Russia is just trying to. They've always said that that section of Ukraine should be independent and have their independence. And so right now they're claiming they're like, we're just helping them gain their independence.
Yeah.
And it's like,
Like,
I mean, yeah.
sure.
Yeah, I mean,
Right.
oh well. I'm just the thing that frustrates me the most is the current administration's lack of foresight and their ability to actually navigate a time like this. It's just kind of like, yeah.
Uh huh. Well, and the complete incompetence of
Now,
our.
watch since I've spoken out against the current administration, my YouTube channel is going to mysteriously disappear and
That's
um,
true.
go away. So yeah. Okay, so I mean, because of the extreme volatility here, the SPY has some decent support here at 410. Excuse me. Based off of the previous chart. So I'll expand that here so you can see it. All right, so back in yet last year, let me do this here. There's a little channel right here that it basically traded in. It dipped out of it, came right back into it, dipped out of it,
Is right.
and
Uh
that
huh.
little channel right there, the bottom of it, just so happens to be about 410, and that's where
Uh
the
huh.
SPY is bouncing off of right now. It has twice this morning. So that's definitely going to be a key level. I think that if it can remain above this 412 level, that it could either be just a day of consolidation or we could actually see some rebound back up to this 418 level.
Yeah.
And if it does go down below 410, excuse me, it could very easily go down to 400 because there's a nice gap. Let's see here. There's a nice little gap between 403 and 400 here.
Uh huh.
So we'll see. We'll see what happens.
Hey, I'm gonna send you a fusion that I just found.
Okay.
Just actually, I don't follow you on Facebook. Dang it.
Oh,
Oh well.
here I can send you an
Send it
invite.
through messages. I'll just send it through messages. Sam, look at this fusion I just found. It has 100,000 miles. It's got a really pretty gray interior. 2013 for so much. Yeah,
It's maroon or
salvage.
kind of a purpley color.
Yeah,
I
but I
saw
don't
this the other day.
because like I don't know. In my opinion, that is.
Previous
I mean, it does have
salvage,
a salvage,
but
but
that doesn't necessarily mean it was totally wrecked.
yeah, I'd like to know what damage. I wish that, or if our truck had sold, I could go buy this. But
Yeah.
um,
Let's see here.
oh well, a deal will always pop up.
That's right. what I always have to remind myself is if I find a deal like randomly pop on, I'm like, oh, this is amazing. It's like, okay, there'll be just as much of a chance later on that there'll be a random deal that pops up when I randomly search for it. So, beep, boop, doop, doo. So I'm thinking for trading this morning. I'm, of course, we have stuff like gold, which is up, which
Uh
is
huh.
fantastic. It's
I
actually
should
been,
really get gold.
mm, yeah,
Like,
right.
I don't know.
Just
Inflation
stockpile.
is skyrocketing so hard, so high.
Uh,
That's why it is good to have
so I'm
things.
making permissions on the server here for Dad Bod Trading Stonk
Uh
Learnings, and I'm going to basically be doing. I have like the top permission, like administrator, is called dad bod, obviously. But then I'm going to
huh.
have other kind of like bod shapes. They're going to be different permissions. So you have like the average bod. You can have the fit bod, um, that sort of thing. So honestly, I feel like just watching The Spy today. I really just kind of feel like doing that because, oh, Tesla. So yesterday I was saying that, were you on when I was talking about Tesla? I don't think so.
Not really.
So Tesla, I was considering trading it, and it would have been like paper trading. I would have bought it at about $1,500 in one
Uh huh.
put, and that $1,500 by the end of the day was worth $5,200.
Nice.
Insane! It would have been a fantastic, day, and today it's going to be worth even more. Like Tesla has dropped. That was with a, let's see, so it went from 40 down to 60, so that's $60, and then dropped another $60, $40. So it's probably going to be worth almost $10,000 this morning when it
Whoa.
opens. So yeah, you can see why I was kind of kicking myself.
Yeah.
Some other people on another Discord server are just kind of like very happy because they had enough experience to be like, you know what, we're gonna set ourselves up in a really nice position here, and
Yeah.
they did, and they're gonna make bank, bro, like really good money. But yeah, I think I'm just going to watch The Spy. I'm gonna see what The Spy does here this morning. The Spy and the Q's. Um, because honestly, that's like the greater markets are what's going to be moving today, if anything's going to move
Yeah.
in a reliable direction. Wonder what silver's doing. Silver was something that I successfully traded a while back. Oh, it's going up, of course. Hmm. This is nice. I updated my streaming software this morning,
Uh huh.
and now it doesn't garble up Discord audio. That's really nice. It's an update that didn't actually break something and it actually fixed something. Oh, let's see. I'm going to do a morning scan here real quick. Indo is up. Oh, well, that's interesting. What's Indo? Hmm, that's exciting. Hmm, petroleum, of course. And like I said, all of the gas, oil, and precious metals are doing really well. Everything else is dead. It's like, wow. It's kind of like just make your pick on all of these that are down. I mean, I think Baba here is like a. I don't think it's been below 100 for a while. Mm-hmm. Mm.
I don't know why, but somehow I shut Discord.
Oh, that's okay. What is wayfair.com? Oh, I haven't traded that for a long time. Wow. Hasn't been doing all that great. Let's see. Ooh. Ooh. So this is a double whammy on this one. Not only did you have the Russia conflict happen, they also had bad earnings last yesterday or this morning. Oof. Wow. Poor peeps. Something that's dropped this hard though kind of makes me wonder if it's going to rebound. is 6. Oh, Six Flags. Yeah. Forgot about this.
Who does? Putin wants nuclear war. Yeah, I'm not at all even worried. Like, I'm not even worried about a draft. Even if I get drafted, I know that it'll all be fine and it'll work out. So
Oh. 318-ish. Right there. So I want... Yeah, that could be a good support area. There's the market bell.
Ding dong.
Ding dong. So I'm looking for a break of 410 for the SPY and a break of about 318 on the Qs.
For a drop.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
How does a draft work? Do they send you mail? Do they come get you?
Yeah, they send you a letter. And then they come get you if you don't come.
And then they say you have been summoned
Yes.
by the Timmy.
Yeah. Horrible spreads on this one.
How sucky.
There's a whole bunch of rebounds. I mean, like AMD is just going yeet. Um, oh, oh, so that Tesla put that I was telling you about, it opened with an opening price of $11,555.
Uh-huh.
That's insane. It's dropping now because market's kind of rebounding. Spy, what you doing? Hmm. Okay, so this is actually. Well, no, 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 no. I want this. We're actually in a. We broke out of the bearish channel and started. Um, so, can you see this line that I'm drawing here?
Yeah.
All right, so this is a like a basically a bearish channel that goes
Uh-huh.
down, and we actually broke out of it in pre-market right
Uh-huh.
here, and then it retested the top of the channel twice, and now we're going back up. So I wish I would have noticed that, but I didn't notice that.
Yeah.
I have the songs from the movie Encanto on my mind.
Mm.
Don't ask me why, but I do. They were very catchy when we watched it. Do I want to build a snowman here? I think I'm just gonna I'm gonna wait, and I'm gonna wait for this 410 area, because if it's going to go down, it has to break that. I could short it up here, but it could consolidate for the next hour.
Yeah.
So I'm just gonna actually be patient and wait for this confirmation and go from there. Okay, so an aggressive plan here would have been to short at the pre-market high here
Uh-huh.
at
You shouldn't be
413.
aggressive, mate.
I know I really do need to be more aggressive, but I'm too cautious. Man, Roku is just
Aggressive.
going for it. Here, let me pull it up here. Not Roku, Roku. Oh, that was actually a stock. Roku. Look at that.
Whoa.
That's crazy. That's beautiful. Note to self, after a huge 20% drop overnight, stocks rebound.
That's funny. Apple is
Apple's doing some crazy stuff. So somebody on Discord said that if this could hold 138, then it's going to be uh, bullish.
I should
And they
have
were
some
right.
coffee.
It's just the spreads are so horrible, I didn't want to touch it.
Yeah.
It's not worth it. I would have made $10. Tesla, on the other hand. Nice. Look at that beautiful hold of the key level. When did I actually make this? I charted this like a month ago. And it just goes to show how useful um, charting can be. Like a month later, this is still a significant area that it bounced off of, you know.
Yeah.
I was lamenting this morning. I was lamenting to Jin this morning how. Oh wow, look at the cues. It's very similar to Tesla. Um, I was lamenting the fact that I didn't take advantage of the big drop last night or yesterday. I should have known better. I should have looked at the market close and bought some puts or something, and held overnight for the drop. Um, and I was lamenting the fact that I'm being very impatient with this. I don't want to wait 3 to 5 years. I want to be like these people, like somebody on Discord yesterday was like, with the way the market closed below a key level, there's only one outcome, and that's a gap down tomorrow. So they loaded up on, a whole bunch of puts and stuff and made absolute bank this morning. And I was like, I wish that I had that kind of experience to be able to look at it and be like, yep, this is going to happen, I'm pretty sure. And I don't have that experience yet. And I want to skip the learning process. And, excuse me, I want to skip the learning process, and just get to it. But that's impossible, you know. And I was thinking, if I was taking an hour out of my workday, like I am now, wow, Netflix is going for it. Like everything on the queues is pretty, pretty impressive. Hang on. Yeah, of course. What's this doing? So we gapped. Excuse me. So it's wow. Hang on a second.
The good is done. Hey Sam.
All right. Had to cough and hack really hard there, so
Get coffee.
somebody on Discord is like, "Remember, cash is a position." Like, yep.
If so, whoa. If so, can I have?
Hey Nate, my belly is almost over you.
Wait, what?
Not very much left. Just won't be enough.
That's disturbing.
And I have a whole bag, but it just has to be ground. You're gonna get like 3 more of those out of it. Dude, TikTok is a wild place right now. It's literally it's from Russia. Oh, this message went.
Okay, so I'm going to hop into a little position here. It's just $25. And I should put that on here.
Maybe we should just go sign up for the military instead of getting drafted.
I mean,
So nasty.
They are.
Just dark and gloomy and gross.
Russia is dark and gloomy and gross. Nate, are you talking?
nope. No, I have a bunch of gunk in my throat, so.
No, that's fine. I just didn't know because my Discord hadn't made any noise, and sometimes it randomly turns
Mm-hmm.
off speakerphone.
accidentally just put on his slack jacket wrong.
It's fine.
Put it on backward. The press is supposed to be on the back.
Minutes after that speech aired on state television,
and you can tell it's backwards.
Live shot for us here at 10 o'clock.
Yeah.
Oh wait, his is like that, but it's way too big on the front.
Does it? Well, watch when he turns around. Does it?
Doesn't say it on the other side either. I don't know. You hear more about news from TikTok than you do from the actual news. These guys.
Yeah. Well, you get more information. That is correct. Can you still hear me, Nate? Or...
Yep, I can hear you.
Okay.
Loud
I
and
didn't
clear.
know because I was on a phone call with Abba.
No, I couldn't hear the phone call, but
Yeah, I just didn't know if you or if it had disconnected. Yeah, that coffee is really good though, even in just. I'm just being sleepy. That's okay. It's good when rooms are warm. My room is warm.
I don't actually know what's squeaky.
Well, there's a few things. I really should take it. Take it.
You can leave it. Yeah. What are you doing? Trying to
Yeah, take it apart. Do you know where a little flathead screwdriver is, Sam?
A what?
Flathead screwdriver.
One in the back room in a box to the right.
Okay.
Well, second body. How come in The Walking Dead I can watch them kill somebody, but then when I watch something like this, in a movie still, but they're killing like a living human, I can't. It's terrible. I wish this could.
To me, on a killing spree. Oh man. Yeah, I'm not figuring out. This is like, see when he does that, it's fascinating. Like, damn, that's for murder. It stresses me out. I don't even think like he just is so. Yeah, is this even a word? Reactionary. Like he is just a product of the circumstances.
It is. It's fine.
This is so much. This is so much, dude. I'm just not with the stress. It's just gonna crumble on him, and yeah, like part of me's like, just get away with it, so I don't have to witness. Brother, I never. This is so twisted. Like this film, like go in. Yeah. Circumstance. He is so problematic. Like this is jarring to witness. Like in best way possible.
But that man has never been taken off since it
Oh,
was installed.
Why not?
Kind of cool to think about.
I think there is
Yeah.
something to be had that the story takes place.
Yeah, I wish I could get my dog to stop speaking when it would happen, but I don't think there's anything that can be done about it.
What squeaks about it?
The whole thing, the whole, yeah, basically, it's it. And like a when you
I know
shut it.
how to fix doors, so
It's
if
not the
I get
hinges
off
or
early
anything.
today, yeah, I know exactly what it is.
Well, the door hangs crooked, and you guys have like sanded.
No, we never did. We were gonna, but we never So if I get off early today, I will.
It's not a big deal. I can kind of make it.
But I may as well. Is that psychologist guy out there?
No. This is versus cinema. I really enjoy his movie commentaries. He likes to direct movies, but he hasn't really done a lot of. He hasn't really done.
Yeah.
It's just a passion of his. He wants to be a director. Put it that way. That's what I would say. Dream. So he likes watching camera moves. This guy is a chameleon. He'll take over other people's lives and pretend to be them.
Uh-huh.
Just intense anxiety right now. This is why you should lie. You should never, do anything
Is
like
that
this.
looks like it's making kind of a channel name.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. So I'm short on it. My stop is the high of the day. So about 190.50.
Yeah.
So we'll see what happens. Rest of the market's kind of channeling, so we'll see what this does.
This is like, dude. Oh, man. Why are fixing his job? They are. Oh my goodness, man. So mad. So mad. There's 100 theories. There are a few things that you don't. Damn. I cannot believe this. What? Oh, man. That thing, he can't believe it. Way. This dude's like, yo, just keep this quiet. And he's giving this guy his trust. No. Well, he's won. He's won.
Coming up on the stop. And you know that all the rest of the shorts are just waiting for that same level, so it's kind of like...
Yeah.
It's probably why there's such a good rebound this morning, is everybody was like, you know what, we're going to short this thing. And then it didn't. And now they're all getting squeezed out.
Yeah. Yeah, but it's the internal spring, so I have to take it all the way apart if you want it to know.
This is so much unwanted stress on my body. Ultimate gaslighter. He is ultimate gaslighter. It's insane. smoke screens, everything. It's just like, and if you are prepared for that, you're going to get shrouded.
Yeah, I'm helping Ella with her door though right now. Yeah. See what the inside of it looks like.
A lot of
Moving parts.
parts for something so simple.
Yeah. It is.
House is always so weird without Riley.
Yeah.
Quiet.
You should just.
Do you see that Ukraine is under attack?
Yep, which means I'm gonna get drafted.
Look at that. Can you imagine seeing that in our country? I'd be like
No
terrified.
thanks.
This is how World War I and II started, though.
Mm-hmm. Somebody
Little skirmishes, and then all of a sudden it became huge.
was like, and then another person was like, That's exactly how that went. Just so you know.
Our Rittenhouse wins the suing Whoopi Goldberg.
He
It'd be
probably will.
awesome.
Come on, BA. Why you gotta do me so dirty?
American convoy kicks off 2,500-mile journey.
That's fun.
They're headed to the capital. I think that's why they put up the fences around
The capital?
Capitol.
I think so too.
Do 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 do. Do 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 do. It's just the waiting game. I think Discord locked up. I think I lost Discord there, so hang on. All right. Can you hear me now?
Yep.
All right. That was weird. Discord just locked up.
Like,
Did you click join again? Does it just keep doing the same thing? Open. Why does it say open?
my ID.
Oh, iCloud photos. Kitchen. Click. Those things that say options over there. Click the options. I just want to see what's in there. Just never mind. Click media and purchases. Go back to media and purchases. Click manage your account. Like, that is a very long password. Is all your stuff there then in your library?
What do you mean?
Just click recently added.
Yeah, it was there.
Oh, you just couldn't listen to it?
Yeah, it was.
Okay.
Well, I think I'm going to get out of this position because it's not looking good. I mean, it hasn't reached my stop yet, but I guarantee it's about to. So I'll give it just like one more minute here. And the rest of the market looks pretty healthy, so I don't know. Yup. All right. Well,
Any minute. I was just. Hey, I was actually busy working.
I know. Joe. Whoa. Where did that come from?
I don't know.
Only one breakfast sandwich, $1. You have to redeem it through the app.
Oh, it's coupon.
Yeah. That's from Dad's.
Coupon.
Probably Dad's.
Is it coupon or coupon?
I think it'd be either way. Depends on what part of the country you're from.
all right. Well, I'm gonna wrap it up here, and hop out of this position here, and
Yeah.
that just didn't do what we wanted. So, oh well. That's the way the cookie crumbles. All right. So, out of positions there, and let me see here. That, and then this, 0.18. Oops. There we go. It would have been a good day to go long, I guess.
You should invest in like Lockheed and stuff because
That's what I was just trying to trade was Boeing, but
huh?
I was trading
Sam is
Boeing.
paying for the war effort, like
Yeah,
Long term.
long term,
Lockheed.
right?
Like buy it and hold it. Because their stock's gonna go up. Unless their airplanes fail. But
All right. Well, I'm hopping off of here. I'm gonna get ready to go to work, and thanks for joining me. I'll see you
Yeah.
later.
And